All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Nissan Altima. It is the SL model, this beautiful silver with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, super nice heated seats, fog lights, only 7,000 miles on this vehicle. And best of all, minimal damage. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I do not see any curbing. And your tire tread is just over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here either. Your tire tread over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof. No things, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Here's a push start system with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check pictures for more details. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Here's mileage of 7,962. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. Got your backup camera, heated seats, steering wheel controls on this side, as well as this side. And that's pretty much it. Looks good. Keep it moving. Got your heated steering wheel. It's cold today. Open up the trunk. Boom. A little button there. Keep it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat, and what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders coming around. Rear bumper has a couple chips, one here, one there, another one there, a couple here, some scratches here. There's one about 2-3 inches, another one about 2, a couple chips down here, another chip. Deck lid looks pretty good. Here's your rear trunk space, and what that looks like, pretty nice. Does have a spare tire with some tools. I tucked away your owner's manual and your front license plate bracket. That's about it. It's your driver's quarter here looks good. Here's your rear passenger side rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire tread over in 830 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Fender looks good. Front driver's rim does have some curbing. Some passenger rim, about 4 inches. Tire tread is just under 730 seconds. Fog lights are working. Car is on. Folks, once again, this is a 2018 Nissan Altima SL model with 7,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.